Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to today's tutorial. I'm Bright from CEO Design, and in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you a super fast way to recreate any flat logo design using Adobe Illustrator. Let's get right to this video. Okay, so I went online and I downloaded these logos. I didn't create them, I just googled and I got them. So with this technique I'll be showing you, you can recreate these logos in less than 30 seconds. Now the reason for this is this skill can come handy when a client meets you and tells you, sir, sorry, I lost my original file, but this is the one I can get. Can you recreate this logo and I want to change the color, or can you just recreate this logo so I can use it to print on a big banner, because this one I'm having, it's kind of low and stuff. So this technique comes so handy, and quickly you can make quick bucks from that job. And this skill is very useful for mostly these beauty brands, because these beauty people, they usually snap too many pictures on their phone, and before you know, they have lost their logo, and they'll come back, can you help me and recreate my logo? And it's always very stressful because of the plenty calls. Trust me, this skill will give you plenty money from these people. Let's continue. So just watch carefully as I engage you. So if, for example, this is the logo, I click on it, then there's an option that shows up in my property bar. We have something like this. Then there's this one called image trace. I have to click on this icon around here, and I click on 3 colors. Now a process bar, and automatically it has converted that PNG file or that JPEG file to a vector file. So what I do next, I expand this guy and click on it, right click on it and say ungroup. By ungrouping it, I can just delete those white backgrounds around it like that, and automatically this logo becomes a vector file. I can change the color as I like. I can choose any color I like for my color picker. Same thing with the text down here, or I could just rewrite those ones based on the font style. So like this, I could recreate this logo in less than how many seconds? So I'll do same thing to this one here. So I have this one, I click on image trace. Always try and click these 3 colors. It gives a very smoother result. And then I expand. Then I click on it and say and choose ungroup. Then delete that white background. Now I have them separated already. These things can be converted to vector. So I could change this color. I could use the same color if that's the color the clients want. And I export, and good to go. I've made that money. So I could try this for others. Now for this one having a gradient fill, what I would advise you to do first of all is to pick the gradient fill, the colors that is involved. I could pick this part and also pick this part using the color picker, and pick this part because it's 2 gradient fill coming from top to this side. So I could just drop an arrow there so I remember where it's coming from. Okay, so I could just same thing, click on 3 colors. Okay, so you always wait for the process, but when the logo is more complex, it takes much time. Okay, so the process is done. Then we expand. Then as usual on group, remove the background. Now you see it splitted the colors for us. Those the 2 colors that the gradient was made with. So we could just group every of these. Then come to this guy and merge shape. Now the shape is now 1. So we can now recreate our gradient fill. The gradient fill that was there before. Could just pull this guy here, and also pull this guy here. And remember, it was coming from top right to bottom. Okay, something like this. Then if it's still not looking the way, I could pick pencil and just, okay, perfect. So now I have the file back as a vector file. You see, so it works like magic. I could still do the same thing for this one. Now get the file, I expand it there. As usual, I ungroup and delete the background. Then I give them the colors I want. Super fast, super quick, super easy. With this trick, you can quickly redesign or recreate a flat logo in less than 30 seconds. So guys, with that, we come to the end of today's tutorial. I had fun making this. I hope you learned something from this. So guys, please subscribe to the channel, click the little bell icon close to the subscribe button so I'll be notified when we post in the future tutorials like this one you just watched. Like, share, comment, ask any questions in the comment section. I will answer as quick as possible. So with this, I see you in the next tutorial. Happy designing.